Good afternoon and welcome to Mr. Brown's Learning Network. Happy Sunday, February 21st. On this episode, I will show you how to use Mathigon to make math learning visible by inserting an image from Mathigon's site. What you're looking at is an example work of this learning, which is our collaborative math slide. So students have a math slide which is named by them, assigned to them. They can look in the speaker notes and just locate their name. Today we're going to insert an image from Mathigon. So they're going to use Mathigon online, complete a math problem each day, and then insert an image of that math problem here in the gray space. This is an example of that work. Students will sign into Mathigon. You can see my profile image on the right-hand side that shows that I've signed in using my Google account. They'll go over and they'll download the image or example image of their work from that day. And then they will name the work. So they can name it by the day of the week. They could type their name in. They could type a topic of study. So they'll simply name the file and click Save. After naming the file and saving, they'll go to their slide and they will insert. So they'll click and select Insert, Image, Upload from Computer or Drive, wherever they've saved it to. Students will need to remember and know where they saved the image. So if I saved it to my Chromebook, I would select Upload from Computer, and if I saved it to my Drive, I would select Drive. Once in your Drive, you'll select Recent. I think that's the easiest way to find and locate images. Select the image you want to insert, and then select Insert. Once the image is inserted, they can resize it and space and place it inside of that gray space. I'm going to go over that one more time just as a review. Please review this with your student prior to class on Monday. I will, of course, review it as well with them whole class. They have lots of access to manipulatives. So on the left-hand side, you're going to see probability manipulatives, fraction manipulatives, and number line work. Remember that they need to sign in using their Google account. So please make sure that they have their profile picture or image over there. They have access to drawing tools on the bottom, different types of pens, pencils, and rulers, as well as line tools. They can also insert grids. So for example, on the back side, if I were graphing or wanting to chart perhaps bar graphs, I could use and select a different grid. They're going to go to Download Image, name the image that they want to download, select Save. Go to their Math Collaborative slide, locate the slide by their name, and then insert that image by selecting Insert, Image, and then the location of the image, which would be from their computer or their Google Drive. I hope this was helpful. As always, stay happy, stay healthy.